Hello dear student, welcome back to the lecture series of Digital Electronics. In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert a octal numbers into hexadecimal number system. Okay, as we discussed earlier, the base for octal number is 8 and base for hexadecimal number is 16. In the octal number, we have 0 to 7, total 8 different values. In hexadecimal number, 0 to 9 and A to F alphabets, total 16 different values to represent the given hexadecimal number. And if we want to convert the given octal number, that is from 0 to 7 into hexadecimal number from 0 to 9 and A to F, we have to divide the process into two steps. Okay, first step is to convert octal number into binary number. And the conversion of octal to binary number is, and we had already discussed the process of conversion of octal number to binary number, and that is the first step to convert octal number into hexadecimal number. The second step is to convert binary number into hexadecimal number. Okay, that is the easiest way to convert a octal number into hexadecimal number. Clear? First we will convert the given octal number into binary number system with base of 2, and then we will convert that binary number into hexadecimal number system. Okay, so let's take one example. For example, we have one number that is 246, that is the octal number, and we have to convert this octal number into equivalent hexadecimal number. So first step to convert the given octal number into hexadecimal number is to convert the given octal number into binary number system. As we discussed earlier, to convert the octal number into binary number system, we use one code, that is 421. Why? Because we can convert the octal number into binary number system by dividing the given number into group of 3 digits or bits in binary number system. So to convert the given octal number into binary number, we will divide the given octal number into individual parts, and we will convert the individual octal bit or digit into binary number system with the help of the given code 421. Okay, so to convert the number 2 octal number into binary number, we can use directly 2 in the center part. So the binary number equivalent to 2 of octal number is equal to 1010, equivalent to 4, that is first one bit for the given code, that is 100, and equivalent to 6, that is 4 plus 2, that means 110. That is the binary number, that is 010, second one group, that is 100, and last one group, that is 110. That is the equivalent binary number. Second step to convert the octal number to hexadecimal number is convert the binary number into hexadecimal number. So to convert the given binary number into hexadecimal number, we have to divide the given binary number into group of 4 digits. Okay, so as you can see over here, we can divide the given number into 3 digits, 3 different groups, in which in the third group we have only one bit. So add remaining zeros in the left hand side. Okay, then we use one code, that is 8421, to convert the given hexadecimal number into binary number into hexadecimal number. Okay, so for the first group, if we multiply 0 with 1, then we get answer 0. 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 into 4, that is 4. And 0 into 8, that is 0. Okay, If we add all these digits, then we get 6, equivalent to hexadecimal number. In the second group, use 8421 code, then we get 8 plus 2 and it is equivalent to 10. And the number 10 is equivalent to A in the hexadecimal number. In the last group, use code 8421 and the multiplication is 0 plus 0 plus 0. So final answer is 0. So the last one and final answer for the given question into hexadecimal number is equal to first digit, that is 0, second digit, that is A, and third one digit, that is 6 into the hexadecimal number system. Clear? This way we can convert any octal number into hexadecimal number system. Let's take one more example to convert the given octal number into hexadecimal number system. Okay. For example, a number is 257.67 and we want to convert this octal number into hexadecimal number. Okay. Base of 16. To convert the octal number into hexadecimal number system, first convert the given octal number into binary number system. Okay. So first step, to convert into binary number, convert each digits of octal number into binary number system. So use the code 421 into to convert the given octal digits into binary digit. Okay. So equivalent to 2 is 0, 1, 0. Okay. We use directly 2. Okay. Next digit 5 into binary number system. We use this 4 plus 1. So we get answer 5. So 101 is the equivalent number of the 5. Next one digit, that is 7. To convert the octal number into binary number, we use 4 plus 2 plus 1. It is equivalent to 7. So all the bits are 111. Next one, that is 6. To convert this 6th number into binary number, we use 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So equivalent to 6 is equal to 110. And last one, that is 7. Again we use 111. Okay, if we write all these bits in series, so first one, that is 010, next one, that is 101, next one, that is 111, next one, that is 110, and last one, that is 000. That is the equivalent binary number, and we use this point before the third one, before the fourth one digit. Okay, so that is over here. Okay, now the second step, to convert the octal number to hexadecimal number. Convert this binary number into hexadecimal number. Divide the given binary number into group of 4 digits. Okay. So first one group, second one group. In the third one group, we have only 1 0. So we will add 3 more 0 in the last group. Okay. In the fraction part, convert the given bits into group of 4 digits. So we have only 2 digits in the last group. So we will add 2 zeros in the fraction part. Okay. And convert the equivalent hexadecimal number and use code, that is 8421. Okay. So for the first group, we multiply 8 with 1, then 8. Then 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. Then 2 into 1, that is 2. And 1 into 1, that is 1. And it is equal to 15. And equivalent number in the hexadecimal number, that is F. Clear? In the next group, use code 8421. Then we get 8 into 1, 8. Plus 2 into 1, that is 2. Remaining bits are 0. And it is equivalent to 10. And it is equal to 10, and its equivalent number in hexadecimal, that is A. In the last group, that is 0. After the point or in the fraction part, if we use code 8421, then we get the 8 into 1, that is 8, plus 8, 4 into 1 that is 4, and 2 into 0 is equal to 0, and 1 into 1 that is 1, 13, and it is equal to 13, and equivalent number to 13 is equal to is D. Okay, in the last group, if we use the code 8421, then we get the answer is equal to 12, and it is equivalent to C. Okay, so the final answer in the hexadecimal number system, first one digit that is 0, second one that is A, next one that is F, and after the point or in the fraction part, first one that is D and next one that is C is the equivalent hexadecimal number for the given question. Clear? I will give you one question and you have to convert the given octal number into hexadecimal number, and you have to give the answer in the comment section of this video. Okay, and the question is 4624.11. Here is the octal number and you have to convert this octal number into hexadecimal number system with the same method, and add the answer in the comment section. Thank you.